Here we are in the beautiful Crown Loft Suite, 1720, Symphony of the Seas. My first time ever stepping foot in a Crown Loft, and it's welcome home. Look how beautiful this is and spacious. We're gonna take time to check out this room and show you all there is to offer. So here we go. All right, so here we go. So first thing on the left, you have two big double closet, basically. Drawers, comes with towel. This is a Sky Class suite, by the way. Comes with access to coastal kitchen, suites lounge, suite sun deck. You have one bathroom downstairs, which is a walk-in shower and a toilet. Over here you have a desk area for two. You can sit here and eat dinner. You can swivel one of the chairs around to the other side and face each other. You can have your dinner here. There's more drawers. Your living area. Double high windows. Another little landing area here, your Lavazza coffee maker, and a fridge. Look at this beautiful balcony. I recommend getting the side-facing suites that face the ocean, not the sports deck. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Look at that, wow. Beautiful. We're gonna go upstairs. This has a TV, as you can see, comes down from the ceiling. As you come up here, this is the loft. And the view from your bed and your TV, look at that. You can watch TV in bed. Look at that spectacular view. Okay, let's check out the master bathroom closet area. Let's turn on some lights. Here's the master bath. This is your standard bath for a suite. Let's see, over here, there is a light. So this is a beautiful area. Here's another closet up here. And this has a pretty decent sized closet for two. Drawer space up here. Wow. They do have outlets everywhere. And look at this beautiful view. Spectacular, just spectacular. So that is Crown Loft Suite, part of the Sky Class of the Royal Suite class on Symphony of the Seas 1720. Probably a once in a lifetime thing for me. And it's beautiful. So thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. And drop any comments below that you have. And we'll see you coming from another Royal Caribbean cruise ship near you.